Hello wonderful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to the No Mediocre family. It is Independence Day here in Jamaica, so we're celebrating 60 years of greatness. 60 years, man. Happy birthday, Jamaica. Yeah, man. And shout out to all my Jamaicans who are not in Jamaica but watching No Mediocre channel right now. Alright guys, so I just come in this parking lot. It's like 9:45 a.m. right now, and we say I'm gonna get some groceries at the supermarket because the plan was, yesterday I planned that I was gonna go to Price Mart to do some shopping because basically the start of a new month, and well, the month not new, but yes, I'm supposed to do my monthly shopping. I'm saying I go to Price Mart, and normally I prefer to do bulk shopping and I shop at Price Mart, right? But Price Mart is closed. I never remember yesterday said today will be August 6th. Yes, so never get to do that at all today. They won't be open until Sunday. Well, I would even eventually come here nevertheless because not everything I buy at Price Mart. So I'm going to the supermarket there right now to get some stuff because some guys are actually going to come by the house to finish up a project which they have started. I'm going to show it to you guys and you tell me what you think about it, yeah? Yeah, man. And it's not going to be a house tour, but I will show you what it is that I'm working on. So come in the supermarket with me now. I'm going to take up a few things, all right? Here look young though. I'd say I'm not coming here to take up much at all, but you got sometimes you come supermarkets like things you never plan to take up, you see, and realize that you want. And sweet. Yeah, take up for one. Coconut milk blend. I take the unsweet and vanilla. So I'm taking this one. And take a bag of Milo. Milo is not the same as it used to be though. No cereal. I take up 3 of them here. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate. I want the one with the marshmallow where they all see it here. So I'm take up 3 of this. Oh, and I like these guys. I like these. These V-soy drink, trust me, so good. Take up 1 chocolate. I like the multigrain as well. Oh, then I have the multigrain. Oh my. I just take on 2 of the originals then. Alright. So more one of them here. You can use a net take up like potato. Knock it out. Some of these are. Oh yeah, and I wanted a potato masher too. You know how long me I look for one of them here? I'm gonna get this one. $253. Not bad. Let me walk away. Let me walk away. Not take up nothing more. Oh yeah, I need lime and ginger. Nothing else from this aisle. I love this wine.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba buy, da ba buy, da buy, da ba buy, yeah. Set the ba da da buy, da da.
Guys, welcome to my home. I wanted to highlight these amazing guys behind me who is building this modern entertainment center. Them are going shy, they hear me talk and them now look. But with me here, I have Dario.
Hello guys, carpenter here.
Yes.
Designs and everything, and I'm expressing it around this side.
Deshaun, come say hello. So they were the mastermind behind this drywall design entertainment center, and this is Uchi. Yes, the electrician. Yeah, man, she's putting in the lights. Yeah, so it's not fully complete, but guys, we said them do such amazing work. I had to put them on camera. Said you guys want to do something like this, you know, you can link them up. I mean, it doesn't have to necessarily be the same design. They give you options, or you can put in, you know, your one little taste to it. But trust me, we never expect this to finish so quickly, and they did it like in what, 2 or 3 days, something like that.
Any design you want, you can come up with your own, or we say you have variety you choose. So
yes.
It's all up to you.
Come in and look at the fireplace right there. You know, it's a nice little aesthetics. Turn it on. Turn off this one so they can see it better. You can see how to turn off the other lights though. So, well, we have like 2 more lights to go in. Yeah. I'll lock the door, darling. So we can change the different colors. You know, set the mood for the night. But you need to turn off this one so they can see it better. There we go. Yeah. So this is what we're working with so far. It's not fully complete as yet, but as I said, guys, if you need something like this, link drywall. What?
Drywall _ design _ GA.
Alright, I'll leave a link in the description just in case you don't remember that. So you can contact them if you need something like this. As a matter of fact, I know you will need it, so contact them.
So remember guys, please share and subscribe to No Mediocre 876 and the drywall.
So follow drywall design _ GA.
All the drywall needs and even carpenter work and stuff. Just follow it.
Yeah, so put your hide from the video.
So everything will be in the description, how to get to us, contact us and everything, the Instagram and everything. But please remember, follow, share, subscribe, and even introduce to a friend and stuff.
Yeah, man. And I can link you on WhatsApp too, right?
Yes, you can.
Alright, so I'll give them your phone number. Alright, so let's finish up the work. Alright. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.
I've been losing sleep. What to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we made it. Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed.